Well, sure, my yard is my garage. However, this is part of a new garage. Not the Fury. Although that did cough up its very fancy V8 440 TNT for the Charger, which is back in the garage there. But yes, we have lumber. This is going to be great. It's going to be nice. We're going to have water. I got a faucet being fixed. They're going to run water all the way to the edge here. So at some point, we can have water service like a bathroom in here for our garage project. Then it'll be my garage is in my yard. I don't know. Comment down below. See if you got some ideas for me that you'd like to share. Day one. Looks like they've dug a little bit into the wood. Got some tools out. Looks like they're cutting some things. Oh yeah. Looks like we definitely have looks like our, I don't know, sills around the edge here. Looking good. All right. Oh yeah, bolted down. Very nice. Yeah. Okay, that's update for day one. Day two. Well, my yard is my garage. There is kind of a garage in my yard. It's getting there. You can kind of see the trappings, the beginnings of what is going to be a better place for me to do the work that I love to do. And wow. Yeah, we have the back wall up and some of the front wall areas. Very nice. California corners, of course. All right, day two. Well, day two is done. Oh, it looks like we're playing some Jenga out here in the middle. Some 2x6 Jenga. All right. Can't wait to see what the next day is going to hold. Welcome to day three of my yard has a garage. All right, well, it looks like they've made some pretty good progress. We have our headers over the larger, well, we've got a couple man doors. There's one in the back there. Over here, we've got our giant long headers for the garage doors. We still have our lonely piece of walling here. Man, it is an early morning. Oh, it's going to be good to see what I think day four holds next. Stay tuned. This is day five. And that's what we're looking. I've got the wood all covered up. They're starting to tie in the remainder of the old wall there. And yeah, it's looking good. Whew. Always rains, never pours. We have a refrigerator. We also have siding. Oh, actually that is a double oven. All right. Okay, welcome to day 6. Man, they've made a lot of progress here, I think. Whew. And it is a scorcher out today. Yep. This will need to be addressed pretty soon here. But yes, we have a back, we have a front, we have doorways, we have the inside. Yeah, that's gonna take me some effort to cinch up. The rest though, looking good. You know, some of this seems a little smaller than I expected, but some seems also larger too, or taller. We just have a lot of debris sitting around in here. There's our back door, our front door for the smaller portion of the garage. All right. There's our RV door, which, well, my folks sold that, so it's now not going to be an RV door. It's just going to be, well, it'll be an RV door, but there won't be an RV here. All right. We have trusses coming in a week, so we're going to have a roof on here pretty soon. We should finish up some work on the GM over there. Yeah, we're looking at some effort here. So here's the 8-foot by 8-foot. It's not really attached, except down here at the base. So yeah, it's going to be some effort for me to do that portion, to have an electrician come in and move our service to the inside of that wall, just take the rest of the sheeting apart. Always have your building permit. All right, that's going to wrap up day 6. We've got about a week until our roof comes in, or at least our joists, our trusses, and then they're going to sheet it and then put wrap on it. But then we need to start talking about roofing. Well, an update. Oh hell, I don't know what day it is. Family emergencies aside, we've got our trusses coming in today for our garage. It's gonna be good. They're gonna drop those off, and then in a few days they're gonna blip, 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 put them up on the building. Woo-hoo. All right. So, hey, we're on My Yard is My Garage again. Pretty soon, I don't know what I'm gonna call it. My yard has a garage. Roofing's going on. This is like day 20. Yes. All right, we got some of this stuff going up on top of the roof. Man, they're gonna stack all that. And in the next couple of days, we will have a sealed roof, and then they are going to wrap the entire building. Well, they're going to wrap the entire building first, do the roof, and then it's time for some siding. Okay, roofing delivered. Yeah, I've got an electrician coming by to kind of take care of putting that in and making sure our electric box goes all the way through. Gonna move this, gonna mount it in one of those spots and take care of that. This is the original main panel wall of the old garage. And as you can see, we have remodeled the existing garage. Yeah. We have a man door here off the main driveway. We have a 12-foot or 16-foot big garage. This will be where we can pull in our normal vehicles. Smaller one for occasional use. We have our lower section here, which we've talked about, and there will be an upper section here, which will have windows and will be kind of like a guest house, B&B, whatever. We have our big, very 12-foot tall RV doorway, which, you know, things change in life and you don't always expect to have to park an RV, but what the heck, there we go. All right, so all right, so there we go. We have a tour, and stay tuned. Okay, we have an update. We have our roof on. We're starting to do wrapping around the first floor area, first 8 feet. We have our siding sitting in here, so in the next couple of days, we will have a lot of siding on here. We have an electrician coming in to help us integrate the original wall left over from the other garage and button this all up so it looks good. Oh, this is maybe a month and a half in now. Hey, P. All right, well, let's get to the gym, do some workout, some work, and then we'll see what this looks like when we get home. Well, a few days got past me here. You can see, well, there's the GMC. Hopefully I'm not letting too much out of the bag, but those are good tires. That was a long run. There will be fun coming, but let's focus on the garage here. All right, so our doors are installed. Not the garage doors. Those I'm probably going to, I don't know, build myself. We'll see. So we have a roof on. That turned out really good. Siding is all on. The siding guys integrated the section with the power supply. So our service panel on the other side still needs to be taken care of. We have our new water outside fixture. I think they call that a hydrant. It's got a drain that goes inside of it so it won't freeze in the winter. It's kind of cool. There's our siding on the back side. I think they're still coming in to do trim though. All right, let's take a shot inside here. All right, so they integrated the wall. They still have the old service panel there that they're going to come and replace in another week or two. So we have some detritus here left over from that. There's our door. There's our big 16-footer. There's our 8-footer. Well, 12, I don't know. Lawnmower can finally sit in here because we are all sealed up. Odds are I may modify some of this up here once I get this apartment up here built. That way I could have a couple of skylights that might go up out of the bathroom I intend to put there. There's our back door. Pretty good sized area. Yeah, so there you go. There's where we are, where we sit on our garage door. So yeah, my yard has a garage. I don't know. I've seen a couple comments, interesting chats going by. But yeah, we'll see what happens next. I'm thinking I might have to figure out a way to hand build those garage doors. So my jazz band that I belong to has a place that we can practice at now, because we're running out of space where we are, and the home was sold, so we need a new spot. Well, good morning to you too, chicken. All right, thanks for coming by on My Yard is My Garage. I'm Bishop, your host. My yard is my garage. Leave a comment, hit the like. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit subscribe. If you want to be notified when I drop a new video, hit the bell. That chicken is just going off. Thank you for coming on by. There's our update for the garage. We'll get back to car projects next, but take care. We'll see you next time.